So I showed this before the break. Just quickly, in the new version 6, when you go to File, Options, and then to Protocols, you can set up a new protocol. And let's say, you say Kiran's DLE protocol. You can name this whatever you want. Save as. We have to actually put this also in here. Kiran DLE protocol. Okay. And so now you can go and set 7 groups. You go there, you select from which screen you want to have a certain group selected. For example, here I go to Kiran's screen, and there I use maybe the group about here, resonant immature ways to create DLE, resonant phrases from Hafiz to create DLE, methods of divided attention to create DLE, and then find the resonant DLE method. So those groups I want to use always in protocol group 1. Say OK. So you see 5 groups are being selected here from Kiran's screen, and now I can say for this group, when it is being evaluated, I want the results to be communicated always 1, 2, 3, whatever number of days, and I can do this for up to 7 groups. And so what you can do then, I say OK, then I can see here in evaluate, I go to protocols, and here, well, we have saved it actually twice now, we have DLE, Kiran's DLE protocol. So all the things that you have set up once, you don't have to go to the different screens anymore, you don't have to set up the communication, it's all done only once. Then you select it, and it's going through all the different screens now. We set up only one, but the other 3 were still there from the previous protocol. So, and here you have the result, and the first evaluation which we now set up has all the DLE method, tap your body inconspicuously. We saw this for Stepan, he's doing it still a little bit conspicuously, he was slapping himself. But, so, this is of course a time saver, but some people like to save time. So, okay, now I want to show you something that I think is a big addition to version 6, and that's what I call the relational protocol. So, you go here, and this will now grow. I put all the knowledge and experience I have together and create protocols for different. I started with the conventional approach. So there's disease-specific protocols. It means disease-specific protocols based on the conventional medicine approach, because especially for the beginner, it's hard to know. We have 30 different screens, where to go, which group to start with, and so here you see we have a list of over 2,000 diseases, and it goes very much to the detail, like for example, birth, complications, birth, damage to the mother, birth, well, this is footling breach, foot out first, then breach, then birth, stillbirth, then twin death, then birth difficult, and so on, and it goes like in even very much detail to, let's say, ear problem. Yes? You see here we have all the ear problems. Middle left, middle right, right. Inner structure, left, right. Because I'm convinced that the homeopathic approach is the right approach. To not say there's an ear problem, but where in the ear? On the right, on the left, in the middle, in the outer. Or when you go to fingers, let's say you can put in here finger up here, and then filter only for diseases that are having finger, finger, show all. I have finger, but let's take foot. I don't know what this. Let's see, show all, and then filter foot. So now you see here, for example, there's how many there is for foot. Yes, foot problem, third bone, fourth bone, right, left little toe, base segment, little toe, right little. So you can see that you can. This is basically a homeopathic approach. Yes. So problems left little toe, and so on. So it goes down to cold and so on, temporary, right, left, yes. And then I show you, let's see, athlete's foot for me. Now that's for Stepan. You have any problem? Do you have any
money?
Money.
Nee, my knee.
Okay. I know there's some cultural differences here. Okay.